Hi, I'm Henrik and this is our factory. We are an industrial building company using wood from the northern forest, creating apartment buildings in Europe's most modern production facility. In a weather-protected environment, the volumes are built, step by step, along our preparation station and our main production line. Our building system can fill many different needs. We build everything from student housing, rent-controlled apartments, to condominiums and retirement homes. We offer a full service solution where we take responsibility for the entire process. This means security in terms of price, product and delivery times. Along the wall line, the exterior walls are put together. Here we assemble windows, bolt, insulate and paint. When the wall is ready, it proceeds to the main production line for assembling. In parallel, the partitions are built and roofed. Just as the exterior walls, they are fully finished when they are assembled. The main production flow begins with the construction of our floor structure. Then our composite bathroom is put in place and partitions are applied, as well as exterior walls and ceilings. The main production flow begins with the construction of our floor structure. Then our composite bathroom is put in place and partitions are applied, as well as exterior walls and ceilings. When all elements are put together, we install the kitchen and apply the floor surface layers and complete with plumbing. After that, we review the volume to ensure quality. In the last step, the module is sent to the automated warehouse. Here it's collected by an autonomous robot loaded on the trucks. All that's left is delivering to the construction sites. Thanks to our industrial construction, we manage the resources efficiently and build climate and cost efficient with high security. We build industrial because we believe in creating homes for more people. We build industrial because we believe in living for more. We build industrial because we believe in living for the many.